You know what? You know the spray that they give you to clean the equipment before and after you work out? It's pointless. I use it knowing that it's pointless, and the reason why I say it's pointless, I'm just Lysoling my phone because you know I had it on the floor on the equipment. Anyway, I say it's pointless because if you read the back of it, you're supposed to spray it and let it sit for 10 minutes in order for it to disinfect the area. So yeah, there's that. Obviously, we're just cleaning the mats and the equipment. Just it doesn't kill any bacteria. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to stores out here since I'm out here. Let me go on. And I think I'm gonna go, so Home Goods is over here. I'm not going to Costco. I'm sick of going to Costco. Besides that, we don't need any food in the house. I'm gonna go to, there's this place called Wild Fork, and they sell you know, meat, poultry, fish, etc. I'm gonna go in there and see if they have some catfish. Yes, I'm still looking for the catfish. And Home Goods is over here, so I'll probably pay a visit to them. You know, I need a new water bottle. I don't. I do need to go to Hobby Lobby to get some thread, so that's what I am gonna do. And I don't have my phone. What do you call that? The stand, the kickstand for my phone, the tripod. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby, get some thread because I need to take in a waist of some jean shorts, and Gwan, go ahead. Oh my God, I don't have road rage. If I'm telling you to go, go. I really thought they had fresh Rockport flounder. Interesting. They have wild caught catfish. I really want it fresh. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get that too. I think I'm just gonna get. I mean, I can obviously make my own Cajun season, but I'm gonna try this. Got duck, frog legs, alligator. Wonder how alligator tastes. It's probably pretty meaty, huh? Like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Kangaroo, ostrich. I better not see rabbit in here. I know I'm gonna see rabbit. I should probably stop looking. Oh my God, there goes rabbit. Oh no. I don't love on my bunny. I like this mirror. I like that mirror. That one's pretty, but I like this one. 50% off. Wow, how much is it? $4.50. That's a good price. That's $225. $225 is really good for this mirror. What size is it? 45 by 65. I like it. That was the one I came here for, though. It was oval. I don't have anywhere to put a mirror, to be honest with you, but you know, I will try. I will figure it out. Here it goes. This is the mirror I was looking at last time I was here. This one and the black one. This is pretty. So that's $114. And then I was looking at this one over here. This one. I like the size of this one. This one's $124. Damn, that's a good price. $124. Shoot. Can I get that in the car? I don't know. I don't think I could get that in the car. I don't know if I really don't think I get that in the car. What's this one? I think this one's too short. This one is kind of perfect. Perfect for a space that I don't have. Girl, you ain't got nowhere to put this mirror. But I need it. All right, let's go. I got thread. Oh wait, I've never had a glass tumbler before. That's a beautiful color. The glass one I feel like is gonna break. Somebody in my house is gonna break, not me. Not me, I'm not gonna break it, but someone is going to break it. You're such a home bunny. Come out here, there you go. Come on. Look at my sandal. Who did that? You know who did that. I can't believe it. Look at this. I left them down here and she went in. So I'm annoyed. One good one, I mean, I'm going to keep wearing them, but come on. Done. And then I made some wings for the kids because they're not gonna eat catfish. PJ will, but the girls, So yeah, just made a couple of wings for them. You hungry? Come. Here. Come, bunny. Hi, Bunny. Hey, buddy. What's up? It's dinner time for you too? Why do you have to leave? Oh, okay. You want me to get out your face? Why you keep taking your food away and then eating it? Because I'm in your space? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna give you an apple after. Why do you keep doing that? Okay, it's a new way of eating for you, huh? Need more water? Yeah, get you more water. Excuse me. You're such a mess. You're inspecting my work? Why are you moving it around? Stop rearranging your little playpen, please. What's up? What do you want? I have to finish cleaning, okay? I'll be back. Begging.